we are super excited to show our girls this prominent place in Manipur called Loktak Lake. We are planning a boat ride for them and we are so excited to see their reaction.
So let's go! Loktak Lake is located around 55 kilometers from Manipur's state capital, Imphal. It is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, and this lake is home to the world's only floating biomass islands, also known as Femina. A unique ecosystem exists here at the Loktak Lake. The local fishermen live on the lake, dangling to the floating biomass in the makeshift huts on the Femina. The world's only floating national park is mesmerizing, unique, and biodiverse. Come, witness this magic only in Manipur.